Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureCleaningschool.com. Hey, wanted to pop on real quick. I got really sick right after the UAMCC convention, starting to feel a little bit better. So if I start coughing, I apologize. But real quick, this was like one of the biggest sellers we had of the little accessory items at the convention. This is I call it a downstream gun setup. That's basically what we use it for. I think it's listed on the website as a pressure washing gun assembly, but this comes with the gun, comes with your socket fitting here on the bottom of the gun for your hose to hook into. And then we've got a swivel on here also, a gun swivel, so that you can rotate this. And then of course your 1/4" socket is here on the end of the gun. If you're using a J-rod, which is what we use it for, the little swivel is great for when you've got your rinse nozzle and you just want to go from that angle to that angle. It's very easy just to twist it and do that. So that's one of the great things I like about having a gun swivel on the gun. And just a lot more control, saves you time from having to stop and do this and rotate it and then come back. It's a lot safer. Sometimes you may not unseat this and then boom, it goes way off yonder. But anyway, this is the downstream pressure washing gun assembly. It comes completely put together for you without the J-rod. This is what it looks like. Very easy gun to hold and do all your downstreaming work with. It's about the only gun we use on a job when we're cleaning a house or a building. And it runs $110 completely set up. It's got the orange safety gun. Really like the orange because you can see it in the grass if you lay it down or something. Very easy to find. So just wanted to share that with you. Then of course we have J-rods with nozzles, whether you need a 4 gallon per minute, 5 gallon per minute, 8 gallon per minute, we can hook you up with all of that and we'll send them attached and put together for you. So that saves you time once you get the nozzles. These run $45, J-rod, 4 nozzles, 4 gallon, 5 gallon per minute, 8 gallon. Just let us know what you need. I think you can actually pick it there on the website. Okay, so that's the J-rod setup. And then the other thing we have is a ball valve setup, which comes complete with your coupler, which you would take and put your hose into like this. And then you've got a hose swivel on it, so it keeps your hose from buckling up or twisting and turning and all that kind of stuff. And then we've got the ball valve and the plug fitting. This complete setup like this runs $95. And again, we'll send it to you ready to use, completely put together, so that you don't have to worry about that once you get it. All right, so if you have any questions about any of these items, I just wanted to share some of these ready to use products and items that we send out. Let us know. DougRuckerStore.com. This is the ball valve setup assembly. It's $95. Then you've got the J-rod nozzle kit, $45 with the nozzles and the J-rod. And then you've got the downstream short gun, which is really easy to use. And actually just kind of makes jobs a lot funner using this little thing. And it's $110 and comes completely set up. So if I can help you in any way, just let me know. DougRuckerStore.com, 281-612-1223. You can call or text that number or reach out to us through the contact form on the website. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Get out there and get after it. Today is Friday, so enjoy the end of your week. And hey, take the weekend off and enjoy yourself, man. Talk to y'all later.